readers, how are you all? First of all, thank you so much for tuning on to this video. I am so happy that you are here and I hope you all are doing great. Like wherever you are, I hope you all are staying safe. First of all, as you all know that this video is regarding book recommendation, and before recommending you some great authors and books, I've got a question for you. Have you ever come across a book so special that you carry it around with you like everywhere, like wherever you go, you have this book in your bag? If you have, do let us know in the comment section given down below. And without any further ado, let me start with this book recommendation video prepared especially for you. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Janvi Harnal, and through Team Book Nerds, I get this chance to create this special book recommendation video just for you. And in here, I introduce you all to 7 books which I'm sure you will love to give it a try and will make your upcoming months really eventful and entertaining. So, let's start. Straight up from the world's leading entertainment platform, Netflix, this thrilling series comes in a form of compiled narration, urging you to spend your Sunday afternoon on your comfortable couch with a cup of steaming coffee or tea. Recommending The Unlisted by Justin Flynn and Chris Guns. Yes guys, it is time to jump yourself into the adventure world of Dhruv and Kal, who are saving the youth from the predacious hands of Global Child Initiative, whose objective is to control the youth and to use them for their own purpose, which, by the way, none of them are good. A fast-paced, gripping tale ready to be devoured, but only to be savored with letting your imagination run free. Events of the epic Ramayana taking place in the post-apocalyptic future enters Shamik Dasgupta's Ramayana 3392 AD. Well, if you're someone who believes that these graphic novels and comic books are for children only with no adult business, it's time you take your words back, my dear, because this illustrative phenomena will keep you uptight and super amazed. A fantasy chronicle set in the post-apocalyptic future in graphical form, where all the characters bearing the same names as the epic Ramayana, where we get to witness the story of Lord Rama, from his journey of trials and tribulations to his relationship with his brothers and keeping the sovereignty of people intact. Ramayana has gotten it all. A great start for rekindling your excitement with the mythological figures, or for those readers who are huge fans of the great epic itself. For this next one, we have to take a drive back to our childhood days. So, let me tell you this. For this next one, this book will trigger nostalgia for the people from the 90s. And perhaps for those who don't know about this amazing book of India, or for our upcoming generation, they will be introduced into the wonderful world of visual and storytelling. It's time I recommend you all to Chacha Chaudhary. Chacha Chaudhary is an Indian book character created by this very talented cartoonist Pran Kumar Sharma, who was once struck upon this idea of a wise old man, who solves these problems with a sharp intellect. So this is how we all were introduced to the great Chacha Chaudhary in the year of 1971. Along with tall and robust Sabu, who as an inhabitant of planet Jupiter, gave Chaudhary an ideal company. With strength from Sabu and wisdom from Chacha Chaudhary, they could tackle any difficult situation. It is also known that Chacha Chaudhary's brain worked faster than any computer. Well, how is that possible? Well, to know that, you have to try out Chacha Chaudhary and the Attack on the South Block. Speaking of childhood, this debut book, written by Roland Robin Roy, is the book that is a set of 40 beautiful memories that tells the innocent yet the quirky stories of childhood. Recommending Time Machine, Memories from the Eastern Plains. Time Machine is a roller coaster ride into the long-lost vibrant world of childhood, based in Assam, where innocence, mischief, joy, and simplicity once walked hand in hand. Time Machine is a collection of childhood-based stories narrated beautifully, where the author encourages the readers to time travel back into the land of Assam and witness the lost and joyful days of innocence. Next up, we have Beena Kapoor's Tumhare Bina. This book helps in exploring answers based on love and physical relationship between two growing individuals. The readers will also get a chance to seek answers narrated down by the author to give them a viewpoint on today's concept of interpersonal relationships. The book will also let the readers understand the notion of emotional blackmail, rejections, and Khajuraho temples and their effect on young minds when they visit them. A book of delicacy and maturity, giving a poetic touch that remarkably coincides with one's life. Next up is satire on the workings of the Indian civil service. Achal Maulik's Rogues Among the Ruins employs irony, humor, and sarcasm to unveil the reality of powerful men and women who think they can run this country, but in reality are caught up between their ideals and thirst for success. A gripping fictionalized account revealing the corrupted incidents of Archaeology Survey of India from the pre-independence phase to exposing several cases of corruption involved in the post-independence phase, which is related to politics. Everything has been documented in Rogues Among Ruins. This book is a match made in heaven for civil service aspirants and for the history and political enthusiasts. The last and the third book of Al-Andalus series, The Ring of the Flames, written by Joan Fallon, is a hard-to-put-down book as it follows a Muslim family residing in Cordoba for 3 generations. This book is particularly set in the 11th century, where we get to know about this ruler, a despotic ruler who is now dead, and the city is in a very chaotic situation. The city is turning towards a very chaotic time of civil war as the pretenders of the throne engage in battle after battle in an attempt to gain supremacy over Umayyad dynasty, leading to affecting the lives of average citizens residing in the city. The Ring of the Flames is an exotic, adventurous story filled with passion and great battles that will keep you rooted on your seat and excite you further as the story progresses with its new developments. Also, to enjoy this part to its fullest, make sure you have read the first and second part of the Al-Andalus series. If you haven't, go and check out its links on the Booknuts Instagram social account. You will find the description over there. So that's it from my end, people. I hope you like this video. If you have some books to suggest to us, do let us know in the comment section given down below. Plus, let us know your favorite book from today's collection. Stay tuned for more updates from Team Book Nerds. Make sure you follow all our social media accounts so we can stay connected with you. I want you all to stay happy, stay safe, take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your pets. Till then, happy reading. Kudos!